Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Greeny World Graphics on YouTube. On today's video, I'll be showing us how to explore our image, our different sites we have to use as a graphic designer to explore our image that we need for our designs. Okay, this is what I'll be covering in this video tutorial. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video, and then let's check out the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be pushed out to people that need it out there. Okay, thank you as we do that. So we are going to proceed now. First, at most of times I've discovered that over time that people actually make this mistake of going to designers to buy design pack. Okay, this is not the best strategy as for a graphic designer to be using. Okay, now we have unlimited sites that we can actually use to explore our image. The image you're exploring is also unlimited. Thousands and millions of stock image you can use freely for yourself. Download as much as you want and use the ones that are necessary for your designs. Because I noticed over time that designers use the same images, using a woman that is smiling to make all her designs. Okay, this is not the best way to make your designs look good and unique. So I'll be discussing different sites we can actually use to make the design look more unique on this particular video tutorial. So let's get there without wasting time. So first we need to go back and then go to our Google or Pramin, and then we have to search for I have outlined different sites I choose to use for this particular video tutorial. Let's see my notepad. Okay, I have Nappy, I have Pixel, and I have Unleash. I'm going to be using Pixel, not Pixel, Pixel and Unleash. Then let's go to Google and search for www.pixel.com. I think you have to start from Pixel, I think. Okay, www.pixel.com. I think I already have it here. Okay, we are going to open it and see what it has to give us. Sorry about that. Make sure your mobile data is turned on. It's going to help you. Okay, we are going to have it here. This is the interface. With this, we are going to start immediately to explore our interest on this particular site, because when you look at this place now, you're already saying search for free photos. With this, we are going to start. Okay, and there is people are still building on their land. Okay, and if I'm making research for different field of life, okay, different field that in different industries, I should consider the industry, the name of the industry, and then make research based on the name of that industry. Okay, now we are making research based on a bakery company, so we type cake. Maybe let's say I want to use cake image as my design. Okay, I will search for cake. Let's see. Now, see the images I'm seeing here. These images are not so common. Not all designers can actually go to the length of making this research or finding this image for themselves. They would rather go and ask for it and then buy some design resources packages, in which most of the images that is there is what these designers have actually used over time to make designs. They are very common everywhere on the internet. So let's just open one of them and download them and see. Okay, just see this, see the resolution, see the quality. I just like it. Now you can go to the top menu here, and then click on free download to start downloading it. It's just free for you. Let's see. Okay, downloading files. You can see that. Okay, we are done downloading. Let's open it and see. Okay, see the image, very clean. Now, what differentiates you from other designers that actually go and buy design resources pack is because what they are buying, someone else is also buying it. And at the end of the day, if you're making a design, someone else is also making a design with the same image, reducing the quality of your design, reducing the uniqueness that is coming out of your design. Okay, now our job as a graphic designer, we need to make more research before we do anything, because our work is to solve problems, not to create problems. I'm saying this over times. Okay, apart from this Pixel, there is another one we can use as well. We can actually You also use the Unleash, Unsplash. Okay, Unsplash. Then we have to go to our Chromo, go to the top menu here. Sorry. Go to our browser and search for, what is that again? Unsplash. Okay. Unsplash. Unsplash.com. Okay, let's see what it's going to bring out for us. Okay, this is also another good site as well. You can see their images. It's not just anyhow images. Now we are going to go to search bar at the top of this site. I can see it here, the search bar. Search for free high resolution photos. Now we are going to click on it and then type as well the industry. Remember, anytime you're making a design, consider the industry you're advertising the flyer for. Okay, that will help you to guide you on the type of image you're going to be using for your designs. Most times I see people, when they want to make a design for let's say a bakery company, they will rather choose to bring in an image of a woman that is smiling. That doesn't speak about the brand. Okay, now let's say we are trying to make for a bakery company. Now let's search for something like cake again. Let's see if they are going to bring out that same image they brought out there as well. You'll see a different images now. Okay, and that's why you need to make research as a graphic designer, because the more you make research, the more you see something that is going to suit well with your image. Okay, see this image now, a very high resolution image for that matter. Now you can explore as much as you want as a graphic designer. Use these images for your designs. Okay, use these images for your designs. Lastly, don't forget Pinterest. Pinterest is also very good. I've been using Pinterest over time. Like I use Pinterest almost in all my designs. If I have to couple it up with other sites for design, I will always use Pinterest. Okay, now go to Pinterest and search for Pinterest. Let's see their site and open it. That Pinterest, I actually like it so much, because as a graphic designer, you need to be visiting Pinterest all the time, because that's where most designers are placing their works. Okay, that's where most designers are placing their works. And then you can actually use the search bar or this search bar at the bottom here. Okay, to search for the image you actually want to see. Okay, and then use it for your designs. Like the image is so good, and you can see not all images are high resolution, but you also see high resolution free images to use for your designs most at times. So I prefer using Pinterest because it can actually help you as a graphic designer to create your own portfolio as well, because people actually use Pinterest to create portfolio. You can use it to create your portfolio. You can actually go to Behance as well. These ones, I won't be covering them in this particular video. Use Behance, use Dribbble. All these sites are actually good for you as a graphic designer. Explore what you can actually use them to do. Stop sitting there. You need to make research. Okay, you need to make research. Like I said before, Google is your friend now. Actually what I did before is I asked for 3 places graphic designer can get design resources. You can see it here. I make research before making this video. Like most of the apps now is not what I'm using. Okay, now I'm showing you that you can actually go to Google and see more of the sites you can use to get design resources for yourself as a graphic designer. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on this video. Let's see how much we can help you in the future with our videos. Okay, your like and comment and share and your subscription are going to be a very good help for us as we are progressing. Thank you, and don't forget to like and comment and share. Bye bye.